Arms above the head, gently bend back from the thoracic. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips, come all the way down, Padahastasana. Inhale, step your right foot back, drop the knee, look up, straight back. Exhaling, step your left foot back to Parvatasana, mountain pose, feet together. Hold the breath out, knees, chest, chin to the ground. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, back, mountain pose, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward, look up, straight back. Exhaling, step your left foot to the front, Padahastasana. Inhaling, come all the way up, gently bend back from the thoracic spine. Come back, exhaling, Pranamasana. Again, inhale, come all the way up. Exhaling, hinge forward from the hips, send the hands outside the feet, step your left foot back. Inhale, look up, straight back. Exhale, come to Parvatasana, mountain pose. Hold the breath out, knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, Bhujangasana, open the chest. Exhale, send the hips up, Parvatasana. Inhale, step the left foot front, drop the knee, look up, straighten the back. Exhaling, step the right foot to the front, exhale completely. On an inhale, send the arms all the way up. Gently bend back from the thoracic spine. Exhale, Pranamasana.